Did you hear the buzz about the FCC stepping in to keep an eye on CBS? Sounds wild, right? Let's break it down. The Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, is planning to appoint someone to monitor CBS to ensure it isn't showing any bias against Trump. Basically, it's like hiring a babysitter for a news channel. So, why does this matter to you? Well, media bias is a hot topic these days. Whether you're tuning in for the news or scrolling through social feeds, the way information is presented can influence public opinion and, by extension, democracy. The FCC's move comes amidst ongoing debates about fairness in media. They want to make sure viewers get a balanced perspective. It's about holding media companies accountable. For us tech beginners, this highlights the intersection of technology, media, and policy. It's crucial to remain aware of how content is controlled and what safeguards are in place to maintain fairness. Takeaway? Always keep an eye on who's reporting the news and how it's framed. Engaging with various sources can give you a fuller picture. Transparency in media isn't just good for journalists, it's vital for us all as informed citizens. That's the scoop. Stay curious and keep questioning what you watch. This is today's tech update for July 26th, 2025.